Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC Reacts. Mod went to jail and I did this. So he's going to be laughing this whole time, I already know. Let's get into it.
Let's just get right into it.
All right. Let me take a shit. Let me take a sip.
A what? A shit?
Let me take a sip.
This kid is drunk.
I miss my hype train sip. Let me take a shit. Let me take a sip.
He did say that.
Let me get
this nigga's lit. One bucket is lit.
I miss my hype train. It's alright. It's the story. All right.
Bro, this is the funniest story, bro. I swear, bro.
Let's just we gotta start. In order to really tell the story, we have to start from earlier in the day. All right, so basically, this is a calm day for me. What day was this? What day was this? This was 2 days ago. This was 2 days ago on the...
Yo, this is about to be dumb funny,
Let me
bro.
look at my pictures real quick. Cause I'm on my wallow shit. Where the fuck is it? Let me see. Damn, I be doing so much videos and shit. I think this was like 2 days ago, right? So basically, damn.
Mod is the funniest thing in the world, bro. 101, bro.
All right, I'm gonna leave that part of the story. I'm not gonna even explain why I left my house, because then it's like,
Wow, that sounds interesting.
why did you even leave your house? I should have just stayed in the house. Basically, I was having a good day. Let's just say that I was having a good day. Just paid my bills.
Yo.
I just invested it. I made a stock investment in the morning.
So does he say why he came to our house? Because I'm not gonna say it either.
So,
I'm not gonna say it.
I had a good day. I moved some money around. I'm having a good day. Somewhere in the middle of the day, I had to go to Clarence's house or something. Right? I have to go to Clarence's house.
He's dumb funny for not saying
It's
it.
like, let's say it's like 8:30, right?
Yo, y'all miss me, chat?
Instagram right now.
Comment right now if you miss me, man. Miss you too.
Oh, he missed us and we miss him too.
This video, matter of fact, this exact video that I just posted, this video, right? I recorded this video right before I leave my house. So right now, I'm driving to Clarence's house to pick up something. And I'm editing the fucking video at the same time. So like, but I'm really in traffic, but it's like the Benz is really killed. It looks like it's really the Benz that killed me, right? But I'm in traffic.
This kid's gonna blame the car, bro.
I shouldn't be doing two things at once. I'm not saying don't drive and text. I'm not saying you should be doing what I'm doing. I don't condone it. Don't do it. But I'm doing two things at once. So I'm driving and like fake editing the video, because if you look at the video, it's really two cuts. So I didn't really have to do that much. I was just trying to do it. Boom. I'm driving. I see the boys. Like I'm driving, but I'm like in the group of the fucking car. Like I'm in a group of cars, but I'm like,
how Clarence gonna start the video and leave us? Where you going? Come back here.
I just caught the group fake. You feel me? Boom, catch the group. I see the boys on the right. I'm like, damn. So like, right here, I was jacking. I was
back
like
to
75. If he cleans, he clocked me at like 82, right? Whatever. That's what he claimed he clocks me. So I hit the fucking, I hit the joint. I see him, but he don't cut his lights on. So I fake turn up. I'm not gonna lie, I turn up a little bit. I like push
That's Ed.
like 96. I'm like, yo, I'm about to get off this exit, get in the gas station, and duck off. Hopefully I don't fucking see the boys.
That was smart.
The moment I turned up, he
How you gonna outrun the cop? Come
cut his fucking police lights on mad fucking early. Like, yo, I'm talking about, like, he cut his lights on so early that I was like, like my car dark. You feel me? So I'm thinking, I'm sliding through in the nighttime. I'm about to slide right off this nigga. We not even about to have a problem. There's no way he's gonna catch me if I turn up, bro.
Mod. First of all, Mod, you're not Batman, nigga. Just because it's nighttime and your car is navy blue doesn't mean the cops is not gonna see you. Like, what does it being dark mean? Like,
nigga pulls me, nigga turns on his light so early that I'm like, I know he's coming to get me. Like, you feel me? Even I still tried to slide off. Like, I didn't really want to make it look like I was trying to run on homie. But it's like,
that's exactly how you
made
it
gas station. So I pull into the gas station on some wild shit because I'm really trying to get along. I break in the gas station on some wild shit.
I'm telling you, this shit broke too, bro.
At this point, I'm thinking I'm just about to get a speeding ticket and go on my way about my business. That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, damn,
it's too late for that.
Fucking niggas got me. Yeah, I turned all the way up right there. I'm like, yo, damn, I'm cursing OD, but fuck it. This is how I feel right now. Right? So I'm in the joint. Boom. Eventually, like 10 seconds later, this nigga pulls in behind me. Now off rip, I'm on edge. Just as a black man. I'm like, damn, I wonder if homie saw me try to speed up. Like I did fake hit the 82 to the 96 to get off. Hopefully it's
now how did it go from 82 to 96, Mike? You know you was pushing it.
No problem. So off the rip, when the nigga pulled behind me, I pulled both my windows down. Like I pulled all my shit down. Officer, you can see it here. You feel me? Ain't nothing going on but a little speeding.
Yo, bro, one thing y'all gotta understand, bro, is I really know this nigga, bro. Like, and I've been pulled over with this nigga. Like, he's real, like you know, he's real, like, strict with it, like himself when it comes to the cops. Like, whereas I'm like a little more comfortable. Like, I'm chilling. I got my seat back. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my phone. Like, where he's more attentive, like, you know what I'm saying? And it, like, bro, this nigga is hilarious, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Right? Nigga takes dumb long to get out the car. So I'm already in the car. I'm just fucking sitting here like, yo, it's taking this nigga so long. Like, goddamn. Like, whatever. Boom. Now, I'm not in New York. I didn't do 90 in front of him. Nah, that's not what I'm saying. That's what y'all niggas... All right, hold on.
Bro, that's exactly what you said.
All right, look. Say this is the officer, right? And he's on the side of the road, right? Now I'm coming down the road, right? And he clocked me at like 80. Boom. He clocked me at like 80. I'm still going by. Now he pull out. For that little second he pull out, he not still radaring me. I'm trying to get out the way. But, you feel me? He ended up pulling up right on me. Anyway. So the nigga takes dumb long to get out his car. Right?
Nigga was radiant plate.
Like, yo, what's up, Mr. Officer?
He was radiant his plate at that point.
He's like, do you own this car? I'm like, nigga, what? Like, I didn't.
Would he be driving if he didn't own it? That's just ridiculous.
Say nigga what? I didn't say nigga what, but I'm like, nigga what? Like, what do you mean? Do I own this car? So then
did somebody report it stolen?
Like, oh, because it says that you it says that your registration is expired, right? In Georgia, your registration expires on your fucking birthday. I didn't know. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Let me not say I didn't know that. I got a notice before my birthday, like way before, like probably like no funny shit. Probably like in June, I got a letter in the mail.
I gotta grow up.
And in June, it said that.
Nah, I'm scared because that shit happened. That shit happened to me too, bro. I think Queen got pulled over or some shit like that and told her that the shit was.
Hold the phone. You did not get Queen caught up in no mess because you didn't want to renew stuff.
It's expired and I went to go change it.
I was gonna have to update.
I didn't know that shit either because New York is definitely not like that. Like that shit, I had to learn the hard way. Like, well, Queen learned the hard way. But you know, females somehow get it easy. She got pulled over and the nigga let her go. That probably.
That's because he knew who she was. Nah.
Wouldn't have been me. That wouldn't have been my story.
You feel me? I don't remember what date it said in June, but I didn't just. It's like one of those things. Like I should have just been paying more attention. So he hit me with that.
You gotta grow up.
I was really sitting there like,
you gotta grow up.
Yo, bro. Like, you feel me? Whatever. He take my license. He go back. He come back. He say, yo, it says here that you sent in money for your tick for
Yo, and I was before it looks different. My setup is a little different. I got some new monitors, so I'm looking this way now for the reaction, and over here is my Streamlabs and shit. So that's why I'm like looking back and forth.
Ticket mad long ago. He said, "Yo, it said you sent in money. You sent the money for your speeding ticket. Like your speeding ticket's paid off, but you missed your court appearance, so your license is suspended." So I'm like, "Oh my god, bro, yo, bro." I'm sitting here like, "Yo, bro, a little speeding, and now my registration is fucking expired, and you tell me my license is suspended." So now I'm just sitting here like, Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is the biggest. I'm telling this story because this shit'll never happen to me again. This is the biggest wake up call of my life. Like, you gotta pay attention. Like, I'm not new to adulting, but like, I am like,
you're new to adulting.
I'm still learning how to adult. Like, you feel me? There's still parts of me that want to be a little nigga and fucking read mail and forget about it. You feel me? Like I used to be able to do that. So, right now my license.
Facts. I'm not gonna lie, I don't be reading mail, bro. I know the important mail. I'm not opening every mail.
Niggas is mad at me.
Look, ain't no excuses. It's giving real irresponsible. That ass.
Stay with me. All right, bro. I don't give a fuck what the blogs bro with. So, my license is suspended for missing a court appearance. So now I'm like, oh shit. I guess I missed the court appearance. So now I'm sitting here with the nigga. Yo, what y'all niggas wanted me to go to jail for? Niggas wanted me to go to jail for shooting somebody?
Now y'all know darn well Patty ain't gonna be shooting nobody, going to jail for nothing like that. Now you know he a chill guy.
I'm sorry, this isn't the story you was expecting. I didn't spin nobody's block. I didn't rob nobody's store.
Who is petty enough to complain while he on live about him and his story?
I didn't go to jail for nothing crazy, nigga. I went to jail for some regular not paying attention. Like,
nigga went to jail for. It's not even funny, bro. It's not even funny, bro. But this story, bro.
Made me forget talking all this dumb shit, right? Whatever. So then I'm sitting there.
Nigga say he got a Mercedes and he got lost in the sun.
Tells me this. I'm sitting there thinking like. In New York, I'm not gonna lie, in New York.
Why are dental companies lobbying to make this toothbrush illegal in the U.S.? This U.S. Army...
Or New York, on something like that, they probably
let you get away.
Let me go.
Yeah, they would have let you
like,
go.
You feel me? Just
facts.
Like, you feel me? I have my PBA cards. You feel me? They would have been like, don't get pulled over, get your registration fixed, go get this shit taken off your license, go to the DMV.
Yo, mine got them PBA cards, bro, and mine still be getting tickets. Them shits don't be working, bro. You know, yo.
Why the heck did they get him when he got the card? That ain't right.
Y'all know what a PBA card is, bro? Bro, that's it. Like, if you got a family member that got, like, is a cop or something, or something, they give you, like, a badge, like an extra badge, so, like, you just pull it out when you get pulled over. They sometimes let you go. That shit don't be working. Yo, that shit don't be working for mod, bro.
It wouldn't have been that big of a deal. So now I'm sitting there. All of a sudden, niggas start saying, get out the car. So I'm like, oh, shit, get out the car. So I'm like, fuck, I guess.
Yo, you guess, sir? My, get out the car.
Niggas said,
bro, this about to be the funniest shit ever, bro. Damn. Oh my god, nigga said, get out the car.
But I'm like, fuck, in there.
Yo, bro, don't mind me this video, bro. Don't mind me, bro.
Shit, get out the car. But I'm like, fuck, I guess.
Why he rewind it? He want to see it again so he can laugh harder at it.
How you say, I guess, nigga, you better get out the car,
nigga. Said I didn't think it was going to be.
Yo.
Nigga said I didn't think it was going to be because, bro, they got me for 20 over. But anyway, damn, what part of the story?
I'm about to be a 10,
nigga
bro.
told me to step out the car. So now, in my head, I'm
crying,
like,
bro.
I'm like, damn.
I'm really crying.
This is fake,
bro.
about to be bad. Like already, like I'm already thinking, like, damn, this is about to be bad.
I'm really crying.
Shit. Like in my head, I'm fake becoming a police officer.
He love him some Patty. They've been friends so long that they got inside jokes, and he's so funny with Patty.
Like, yo, niggas is about to, they got to. I'm sitting in the car, like, he's just sitting my license suspended and my registration is done. He gotta bag me. Like, he gotta bag me. He said, get out the car.
Damn.
I'm politicking with him. I'm like, yo, what do you gotta do, Mr. Officer? I'm confused. Like, you feel me? I'm playing super dumb. Nigga said, I thought you was spinning blocks with Clarence. Stop it.
Yo, stop, chill.
The nigga's like, either way, right at that moment, I'm trying to politic with the nigga. The nigga,
yo,
cuss,
yo,
clink, clink. Nigga cuss me. Hands behind my back. I'm fucked up right now.
Oh gosh, we glad you're here, Patty. I mean, that sounds like it's only gonna get worse from here. Let's see.
I'm like, yo, I'm over here like, yo, bro, I'm like, yo, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I might be the funniest nigga he ever arrested in his life. Cause I'm like, yo, bro, for non-violence, like I ain't even arms now.
Oh, now you really laughing.
Awesome, funniest nigga he ever arrested in his life.
Yo, bro, this is what I'm saying, bro. Yo, bro, mine is so funny, bro. Nigga said for nigga said for non-violence. Yo.
I'm like, yo, non-violence? Like I ain't even do nothing violent. Why you treating me like that? He's like, bro, so you put me in the car and
nigga, cause you driving without a license, bro.
Funny shit. Like I'm sitting on my arms on some funny shit. Like the way the nigga put me in the car, like I'm sitting on my arms on some super funny shit. So it's like my shoulder is dead ass hurting. So I'm like, yo, bro.
Yo, I'm not laughing, bro. I'm not laughing at bro. I'm just laughing at this situation, bro. This is one of the funniest situations. This is one of the funniest situations I ever had in my life.
Oh, my shoulder's hurting me right now, bro. Like, yo, bro, like, my shoulder's dead ass hurting me. Nigga got the seatbelt on me while I'm sitting on my two arms. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm over here like, yo, bro, I don't know if you do this to people. Like, I'm saying, bro, I've never done this before. So, like,
I don't know if you do this to people. Like, it's their procedure.
Throwing me off my shoulder, that ass hurting, bro. You got to lock me in here, like, you got to do something. So he's like, all right, I'm gonna take the seatbelt off. Just turn to the side. Yo, I felt way better. Like, you feel me? That's a tactic. If you're ever in the back of a police car with your hands cuffed, tell them take the seatbelt off and turn to the side. It gives you mad space. So the nigga tells me that I feel way better. So I couldn't start.
Yo.
Oh my gosh, Claire is not gonna be able to get through this video.
Yo, bro, is there a way you could get the body cam footage? Yo, bro, I'll pay for that. I swear to God, I'll pay for that. Like, I will pay for that footage, bro. I need that. I'm about to get a lawyer.
Gordon, bro, the nigga took me out the car. Look, this is the part I'm not even telling you.
The nigga said non-violence? Non-violence?
Where's the mommy, bro? The nigga, bro, work the mommy. The nigga got me cuffed like this. I'm holding my bag on my body. I'm thinking I'm about to go in the car with the cuff. Nigga just clips my shit while I'm handcuffed. Nigga just clips my shit. Like, drop my shit. Like, just drop my shit.
So, the friendly cop is gonna follow you to the gas station and he's not gonna arrest you?
Shit right off of me, right? Starts fucking searching my bag for all types of stuff. My phone is in the car. The whole time while I'm getting locked up, he can't figure out how to get the Bluetooth for my Benz to work. So my mixtape is playing. Like, I'm on the side of the road and my mixtape is
Now, that's some good marketing though.
busting. Like, he's cracking his mind out. Like, he probably knows the words. Cause I was in the back of the patio the whole time my joint is playing. I'm thinking like this. So then in the back of the patio, I'm not gonna lie, it was like a 10-second period in the back. It was like a 10-second period in the back of the patio where I was like, yo, what the fuck did I get myself into? Like, I'm about to dead ass go to jail tonight. And I was like, yo, what the fuck? Like, you feel me? Like, my mind was going crazy. And then right after that 10 seconds, right after, it was like 10 seconds of like, what the fuck am I about to do tonight? And then right after that 10 seconds, nigga said promo. Right after that 10 seconds, I was like, shit, you feel me? Like, this is my fault.
stomach hurt, yeah.
You feel me? I gotta be accountable, whatever. Like, you feel me? Whatever it deals with, I'm not doing shit. I'm not going to jail for life tonight. You feel me? I just gotta deal with what goes with this, right? So then, the nigga writes me up a ticket. He goes through my bag. He goes through my bag, which has no Tina in it. Let me say Tina for the sake of the YouTube. It has no Tina in it. But it like has Tina crumbs in it, like crumbs of Tina, cause
that sounds like trouble.
You know, like I be having that in my bag sometimes. It might fall out a little bit, little piece might fall out, or a little. You feel me? Yo, hold on, we gonna get to that. We gonna get to how much it cost me to bond out, right? So, right? He's searching. He's dumping out my bags. Condoms falling out. This nigga's dumping out my bag. There's literally nothing.
Bro, why is my eye twitching, bro?
You know I could give you possession for this Tina. I'm in the car like, yo, this is going somewhere. What's going on?
Why is he like, what's going on? Take your ticket, man.
Oh my night. Now you're trying to dump my whole bag out to find the one little piece. So now I'm just like, whatever. So now I'm just being super nice. Like, you feel me? I'm like, officer, my fault. Sorry, Mr. Officer. All that type of Nah, I didn't get caught with the dope. If I got caught with the dope right now, y'all niggas wouldn't be seeing me. I'd be in the fucking I'd be under the joint.
Find out what's wrong with you with Daily Radio.
I said that under the joint. Bro, this story got my stomach hurting already.
I was gonna bring the dope with me out the house right there because I was going to C House to get something. So I was like, yo, when I go there, get that and spin back, that was just the day where I didn't bring it out the house. I swear that was like.
You kept it in the crib.
Shit. So then he's like, he gave me possession. So whatever. I'm sitting there. I start being super nice. Like, oh, Mr. Officer, I'm playing super dumb. Like, I'm playing super dumb. I'm not gonna lie. I'm playing as dumb as I probably was in the situation. Like, keep it all the way as that. Because it's like, bro, I ain't never been in jail before. It's my first time getting handcuffed. Right there, 28. It's first time in the cuffs in my life. So I'd never been in the back of the patty. I never done none of that.
Wow.
Nigga, I dodged all those type of situations. So, I'm really playing as dumb as I really am. So I'm like, Mr. Officer, so what should I expect in this process? Like, you just you handcuffed me, I'm in the back of the car, like, where are you taking?
Why is he interviewing the cop? What should I expect in this process?
Me now, like.
Yo, that's the part that I be dead too, bro. When he told me the story, bro, how you ask, what's the price? Like, what should I expect when I go to jail?
Am I able to call my family, call somebody, let them know where I'm at? Like,
yo,
like,
mine is dumb funny, bro. I swear.
He's like, basically, he's about to take me to the he about to take me to the police station because I got arrested in Doraville, right? So he said he about to take me to the police station, and then I'm gonna go to Cobb County Jail. So I'm in the back of the whip. He said Cobb County, like he didn't say county. So I'm like, county jail? Like, I literally said that through this shit dumb loud. I'm like, county jail?
It got real to him.
He said, yeah, nah. I'm not gonna lie. I was able to. We're gonna get to that. I'm like, county jail? And he's like, yeah, what other county is there? So I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, yo, what I get myself into? Because I done seen Cobb County on 60 Days In. I'm like, oh, and I'm in Atlanta. I'm a New York nigga. I'm thinking all types of shit.
Nigga said Cobb County on 60 Days In.
You know what color this officer was. He wasn't giving me no breaks. You know he was a Steve. Right? So, whatever. Long story short, boom, we get to the police station. This is where he actually, I think my nice personality won him over in the long run. Because when I got to the station, he's like, yo, I could give you possession and it would make you have to bond out for 2,000 more than whatever it's gonna come to right now. So, yeah, you lucky I'm not gonna give that to you just because you were being a super nice guy and cooperating with me. I'm like, oh shit. Dodge that bullet, right? Dodge that bullet. So now, I don't know if they was playing some good cop, bad cop game. I go into jail. Now he take me inside the jail. I'm still cuffed up. They don't let you through they didn't let me through they put me in the first door, locked me in this first door, locked the door behind me, locked this one in front of me. I'm like, yo, I can't believe niggas do crimes. Like, yo, that's what I was thinking. Yo, man, I can't believe niggas do crimes. This is when I started thinking, like, yo, this can't be life, bro. This
yo, bro, niggas said I can't believe niggas do crimes, bro. Yo, that got it.
So then,
that got it, bro.
Paul Blart Mall Cop comes out. And he's being super nice. He's like, oh, bud, what's up, buddy? Let me get you out of those, handcuffs, buddy. Let me get you out of those. So that he gets put your hands on the wall. Now it's like, he's making me nervous. Let me get you out of those handcuffs, buddy. Let me get you out of those. So that he gets me out the handcuffs. He's like, put your hands on the wall. Now it's like, he's making me nervous. It's like, you're telling me that you're saying bud, but you're scared.
Do y'all see Clare? He about to fall out his chair. He can't breathe.
I'm talking about the handcuffs. 2 seconds. Yo, put your hands up against the wall. I'm like, all right.
Nigga said, now you making me nervous. Yo, I never seen this video, bro.
Like, he's making me nervous. It's like, let me get you out of those, handcuffs, buddy. Let me get you out of those. So he gets me out the handcuffs. He's like, put your hands on the wall. He's making me nervous. It's like, you're telling me that you're saying bud, but you're scared of me at the same time.
Oh no, not the cough, Clare. You okay?
You see me? Like, the moment he took, I'm talking about the handcuffs must have not been on for 2 seconds. This nigga got me. Yo, put your hands up against the wall. I'm like, all right. You got it, gang. You got it. Say less. Now the nigga tells me to take off my shoes. The nigga says, yo, hands up against the wall. Hands up against the wall. Been on for 2 seconds. This nigga got for me that you're saying bud, but you're scared of me. Let me get you out of those fucking.
Nigga, mom was just scared straight, bro.
He's being super nice. He's like, oh, bud, what's up, buddy? Let me get you out of those, handcuffs, buddy. Let me get you out of those. So that he gets me out the handcuffs. He's like, put your hands on the wall. Now it's like, he's making me nervous. It's like, you're telling me that you're saying bud, but you're scared of me at the same time? Like, you're scared of me. Like, the moment he took.
I don't get that. He right.
Yo, I'm talking about the handcuffs must have not been on for 2 seconds. This nigga got me. Yo, put your hands up against the wall. I'm like, all right. You got it, gang. You got it. Say less. Now the nigga tells me to take off my shoes. The nigga says, yo, if you got anything in your socks, tell me right now. I'm like, nah, gang, my socks is good. Like, you can take my socks. He's like, sure? I guess mad niggas go down for reading their socks. I'm like, yeah.
Socks. Don't do it, y'all.
The nigga, yo, I don't even want to show y'all. Because I felt like it was inappropriate. But the nigga took my sock off that much. Like, he took my sock off that much. Like, this is how far he took my sock off. I'm like, nah, you're wild. You got it. Like, at this point, if I got drugs down there, like, at this point, it's in my skin. All right, so he taps my shoes out. Boom, they let me in the joint. Now, all I'm thinking right now, in my head personally, is like, yo, I can't go to county. Like, we not doing that. We not about to have a Mod to God mugshot. Not for no non-violent crime. Like, you don't get no cool points if Shade Room Team would have took my mugshot from Cobb County and fucking posted it, like,
and then posted the charges.
And pulled over.
Yeah, that ain't okay.
For being irresponsible with your car. Like, you don't get no.
They like, mine need to grow up. That's so wrong.
Fucking cool points for that. So it's like, all I'm thinking is, we can't do the mugshot. Like, the mugshot shit, that is not what we're doing. Like, I didn't do nothing. I didn't get caught with no weed, nothing. This ain't even a good story. I don't even want this to get out, bro, unless I'm telling it. You feel me? Like, unless I'm telling the story, nobody.
Yo, the you making me nervous got me dumb. That shit reminded me of the you. Why you being weird to me?
Suspended, I'm pussy. I'm not even trying. That makes me look dumb pussy, right? So all I'm thinking is, yo, whatever. The nigga takes me in the joint. Right now I'm free. Like, you feel me? Now I'm free. Nigga takes me in the joint. Nigga opens the cell up. I look at it like, oh nah. Like, I literally said, oh nah. He's like, yeah, bud. We're just gonna keep you in here for a little while we do processing. Boom. Put me in there. Right?
Okay. First of all, why is he demonstrating the whole thing and how it happened? And secondly, why he and Clare keep leaving?
I'm in there for 5 minutes. Straight white wall. Straight, like, not white, off-white, yellow paint wall with the blue mat. I looked at the blue mat. I didn't even want to sit on the blue mat. I'm just thinking, yo, how many niggas was on this fucking mat? Like, that's all I'm thinking. I'm like, this can't be hygienic. I'm over here thinking like, yo,
this can't be hygienic.
Ask her son for me to be up in here for this bullshit.
Poor Patty.
Over no car, nigga. Like, yo, I gotta get my shit together. Like, I wasn't even thinking about this car shit. Now I'm fucking sitting in jail. So now, the niggas open up the cell. They let me come out, and they like asking me my options. They like giving me options. So I'm like, all right, what's my options? They was like, you could bond out here for the full price of your tickets, or we take you to county and you gotta call a blood relative. Hold on.
Blood relative.
And you gotta call. Yo, at this point it's like 12 o'clock. Like, at this point it's like 12 o'clock. It's like 12 o'clock. This is like.
Yep, it is.
This is like all happening like 8:30 to 1 o'clock. Like, this is like 12 o'clock. We're close to the end of my journey, right?
Nah, that couldn't have been 12 o'clock. It had to be like a little less, like probably like.
So I'm finding out the price.
Maybe 11, 10:30.
The nigga says you can bond out right now.
I'm gonna tell you why.
For 3 bands, like 3 bands, we don't gotta take you to county, right? And then he says, if we take you to county, you could bail out for 300. Bro, I got pulled over for speeding if you missed. Bro, I didn't know my license was suspended. Bro, don't you understand? I got pulled over. I was calm, cool, and collected. There's mad other shit going on. But either way, damn, what part of the story I was? Oh, right. So they told me I could bond out for 3 bands, or
3 bands.
I could wait to go to county, spend a night in jail.
Like, what if you don't, bro? Not the normal person. A normal person don't just have 3 bands on jail.
So, bro, I'm done.
Like, that's wild. Don't y'all think that's wild?
On tour, I can't do none of that, right? So, bro, at this point, bro, I'm not gonna lie. God is mad good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. God is mad good for
Amen.
Mad reasons, and y'all about to hear why Clarence is my W mans though. But God is mad
W.
good. That morning,
I can't even do that.
I paid my fucking rent. I sent some money to my fucking Robin Hood, but in my account, I had like 2,400. So now I'm lying to the boy.
What? Yeah, you gonna say whatever you gotta say to get out of there.
Because the nigga said, like, I got cash everywhere, but I got 2,400 on my card right now. So the nigga's like, yo, how much you got on your car? He's like, 3 bands. He tried to front on me. Right? I'm like, what? 3 bands? Nigga, 3 bands? He tried to front, bro. You got 3 bands on your car? I'm like, bro, I got 3 bands.
Because he was driving the Mercedes, you know? And so he thinking, A, that can't be his car, and B, he can't have 3 bands. That ain't right.
Hands on me. I'm like, yo, bro, just let me make one call, right? So I call my son Fitz first, because me and Fitz, like, that's my man's from Buffalo, and like, he done been through shit like that where I done had to do crazy shit, pick him up from fucking crazy situations.
Should call me.
And that's my boy. So I called him in the moment.
See, Clare petty. He said you should have called me.
Like, that nigga usually be just having bread on his Cash App. So I'm like, yo, bro, send it to me. I'm gonna get it back to you right when I get it out my Robinhood tomorrow. Just let me get that. This nigga's at the Charlotte Bobcats game. But really, the only reason I didn't call
The Charlotte Bobcats, bro? Bro, who the fuck are the Charlotte Bobcats, bro? The Charlotte Bobcats died like 9 years ago, bro. Bro, the last nigga to play on the Charlotte Bobcats was who? Bro, I don't remember anybody that ever played for the Charlotte.
He petty. Oh my gosh, Clare. Wow.
Charlotte Bobcats, bro.
call Clarence first.
Nigga said the Charlotte Bobcats game.
Without
Oh, did y'all hear that?
nobody wrote me while I was in there. Nah, I'm like, yo, if I can get out this situation without nobody knowing, like, it'll be super clutch.
Nah,
like,
Charlotte Bobcats got it, man. I gotta call
So my nigga Fitz dubs me. So now it's like, I gotta call C. You feel me? Like, bro, I was gonna call C first. But I'm like, yo, I'm gonna let my what's team recorded? The Charlotte
Hornets.
They not the Bobcats.
The Hornets?
My fault, not the Bobcats.
The Hornets?
Y'all niggas got it.
What's wrong with this thing?
The funniest part is like, yo, I'm gonna let my what's team recorded? The Charlotte Hornets? They the Hornets? They not the Bobcats no more. My fault, not the Bobcats. Y'all niggas gotta hear this. This is the funniest part of the story.
You calling by the wrong name.
I'm gonna actually show y'all the text messages between me and C, Mo. This is the funniest shit. You could tell I was a nervous nigga not trying to go to jail. Yo, listen. Hold on, let me take a sip. Right? So Queen had a show in Philly on this exact day. Right? So nigga said they passed 4 years ago. Queen had a show in Philly, so I called this nigga Clarence from the jail. I called this nigga Clarence because they let me use my phone. I call this nigga Clarence. And I'm like, yo, bro, what you doing right now? Niggas, bro, I swear to God I hear.
He calling everybody.
Never had us now. I'm like,
every member of my family fights.
yo, bro. Niggas like, yo, bro, I can't hear you. Nigga bangs it on me. Bro, what you doing right now? Niggas, bro, I swear to God,
Alright, y'all. So this is where the part I come in. This is the part where I come in. So this is the funny. This where it gets real funny.
I'm like, yo, bro. Niggas like, yo, bro, I can't hear you. Nigga banged
it on it. I dead.
Nah.
Cause you know how you can't hear a nigga? You know how you can't hear somebody, so you bang it on so you could quickly text them like, yo, bro, I can't fucking hear you. Type shit. Like, that's basically what I was doing.
Yo, panic, like, yo, what? I'm like, nah, no way this nigga just banged it on me, right? So then I text this nigga.
This is where it gets funny. I
texted him because he thought I was.
Let me go to this text.
At his crib because he thought I was supposed to be going to his crib. So I text him. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm at the jail. I'm in jail right now. Can you send me $900 to bail out? I know that's a crazy text. That's the last text you probably hear from a nigga like me. I'm like, yo, bro, can you send $900 to bail out? And this is the funniest part. They trying to take me to the big house. Like, this is no cap. This is dead what I said.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it from here, man. This is how I'm, yo, bro. This is what this nigga texts me, bro. Yeah, I have to see this. I have to show it to you. I don't show his number now, right? Yo, look at the text, bro.
You can't see it.
Can I see
Can't see it.
it? Bro, the nigga said, yo, I'm on my way. First of all, he texted me at 8:45. He said, yo, I'm on my way to your crib. I said, bet. I said, bet. You at the crib? This is after I banged on him. When I banged on him, I immediately texted him. I said,
I'm glad he did.
you at the crib? Question mark. He said, bro, I'm a jail. He's spelling shit wrong. He said, I'm a the jail. Can you send me 900?
Don't come for him. Now, you know it's a traumatic experience. He already said he was worried about it.
To bail out. They trying to take me to the big house. Yo, bro, the big house threw me all the way off, bro. I'm thinking immediately, I'm like, bro, what the fuck is the big house? You get what I'm saying? Like, bro, the big house, no one has ever said that in my life. Like, the only time you hear that is like in movies or something. Nigga said the big house. So I'm thinking he's pranking me. You feel me? I'm thinking he's pranking me, bro. Nigga, I said, wait, what? Question mark. Nigga said, I'm gonna get it right back, bro. I'm calling from jail, bro. I need it ASAP. This is what I said. I said, you say you was at the crib. Nigga said, I'm gonna get it right back. He's not even answering my questions, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Nigga said, I'm gonna get it right back. Now I got pulled over on my way there.
You got bigger problems than repeating stuff, Claire.
And that's when I hit me. I'm like, bro, this is why I really think he's pranking me, bro. Because I'm like, bro, how you in jail calling and texting me? You feel me? Like, how are you in jail with your phone? I said, that's what I basically said. I said, how you calling from your phone? Question mark. And texting me right now, though. Bro, this is where I fucking lost it, bro. I was crying because I'm still thinking this is a prank. Nigga said, bro, they giving me a chance. It's really me, bro. That's when I lost it. I lost my marbles right there. Like, I lost it. I thought that was hilarious. So I clicked it and I reacted to the text message. And I put, ha ha, bro. Look at this, bro. You see how I reacted to it right there? Ha ha. And then I said, nah, you being dead ass. And that's what.
Wow. I mean, he's not gonna joke about that. He ain't did no prank like that yet.
I left from the stage. If you was at the Philly show, I wasn't even there. I wasn't even on the stage. Like, Philly didn't even get to see me. Because I left. I went backstage and then I immediately called them. I'm like, bro, you dead ass, bro? Like, and I'm like, bet. And then I immediately sent it to him and then I take it. Because that shit was funny. I'm letting him say it now. Because that shit had me crying, bro. The big house, bro.
Wait, what? Right? Nigga said, wait, what? I said, bro, I'm going to get it right back to you. Bro, I'm calling from jail. I need it ASAP. Nigga said, you said you was going to the crib. Nigga said, I said,
you know, if your boy said he needed ASAP, you know, it don't matter what he needed for.
Bro, I said, bro, I'm going to get it right back. I got pulled over on my way to your crib. Nigga said, how you calling from your phone and texting me right now? I said,
see, Clarence is overthinking. Like, he like, they not gonna let you have your phone. But how you know that? I'm like, everybody know that.
bro, they giving me a chance. Nigga clicks the message and puts ha ha. This nigga puts ha ha. Like, yo, bro, when I'm telling you, bro, I might have lost 10 pounds in the jail right there. Yo, bro, I lost 10 pounds.
Yo, big house.
I mean, always stand up for him. He don't know who already. Oh my gosh.
The big house got it, man.
Yo, this nigga.
And then they giving me a chance, bro. When does the cops give us a chance, bro? Like, what?
He's thinking of a prank, so I'm like, nah, bro, it's really me. So then I call him again. Cause I call him and now I call him again after the nigga now. Yo, I know this nigga's crazy. Yo, I call him again. He's a W Mans though. W's in the chat. W Mans. Definitely W Mans. It's just like, it's me. Like, it's me. So I call the nigga. I'm like, yo, bro, I'm dead ass in jail right now. So the nigga's like, bro, you said you was going to my house. How you in jail? I'm like, bro, I got pulled over on your way to your crib. I'm going to explain to you in a minute. But bro, I dead ass need these 900 or these niggas is taking me to county jail. He's like, All right, bro, I got you right now, bro. I got you right now, bro. I'm not gonna let niggas take you to county, bro. I'm like, all right, bro. I'm talking about 30 seconds later, the bread was in my account. I had enough to bail out. You feel me? And W's in the chat for C, man. W's in the chat for C. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Swipe that card. They gave me my tickets. I paid my tickets. And I got out that jam. I went into jail through the side gate, and they walked me out the front door. Niggas nicely let me out. Niggas said, "Oh, I have a good
Niggas
evening,
took
King.
his bread, bro. Niggas robbed him.
Evening, King."
Nigga, Ma got robbed, bro.
And other than that, you feel me?
He probably did, because they get on my nerves. Used to be able to lock your bags and stuff, and now they be all up in your stuff at the airport.
That's pretty much my
Bro, that's hilarious, bro. Yo, right now in the comment section, put your favorite part of the story. This is one of the funniest moments of my life, bro. The big house, like, bro. And then, like, after when he got out, I called him, bro, and me and him was just laughing, bro, the whole time, bro. Like, we was just laughing, bro, because, like, we couldn't not make jokes about it. Like, that shit just dumb funny, bro. The big house got it for life. Like, that got it for life. But I'm going to end this video right here. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I know I haven't been on here in a little minute. But, you know what I'm saying? We're going to get back to it. I still got a little more traveling to do. So it's going to be a little inconsistent. But we're definitely getting back on these videos. If you haven't, stay tuned. Make sure you tune in on the Royal Family.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell to become part of the Notable Squad.